Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn chapter 11, circle. Okay, so let's begin. Now you can see some shapes on the screen. Can you please tell me what are these shapes? First one, what is this? Yes, triangle. Second one, square. Very good. This one I'll move camera a little bit. Yeah, this one trapezium. Very good. This one rectangle, circle, star, semicircle. This is diamond and this is oval. Very good. So these are some basic shapes. Now we will move to our topic, circle. Okay, in this figure, can you tell me where you can see circle? Yes, this is the giant wheel. Here you can see the shape of a circle. You can also see the shape of a circle in this tent. See, in this board also is of circular shape. This table is also of circular shape. Small disc, the mom is giving the sun, it is also of circular shape. So there are so many circular shapes in a small figure. See, one clock is also seen here. So by this we can understand that circle are inevitable part of our life. Whenever we wake up from the morning till the night, there are so many circular objects we see. So now you can understand how important it is circles are there in our life. So today we will learn how to find the circumference of a circle. Now what is circumference? Before moving to circumference, we'll read some basic things. What a circle is. A circle is a closed two-dimensional figure in which a set of all points in a plane are equidistant from the center. This is a textual definition. I'll explain you. A circle is a closed two-dimensional figure. What do you mean by closed? Closed means what? It is fully covered. It is not open. When you draw any figure like this, see, like this, so it is not closed. It is a open figure. But circle, you don't have any opening, है ना? Fully it is closed. कहीं से खुला हुआ नहीं है. So it is called a closed two-dimensional figure. Two-dimensional यानी आगे भी है और back side also you have. ठीक है, front side and back side, two side you have. That is called two-dimensional figure in which a set of all points are equidistant. Equidistant मतलब यहाँ से अगर हम लोग रेडियस यहाँ से ले सेंटर से सर्कल के, तो यहाँ बनाएंगे, सब पॉइंट का डिस्टेंस सपोज अगर 2 सेंटीमीटर है, सपोज दिस इज 2 सेंटीमीटर, तो यहाँ से यहाँ भी 2 सेंटीमीटर रहेगा, ये भी 2 रहेगा, ये भी 2 रहेगा. सो इक्विडिस्टेंस मतलब इक्वल डिस्टेंस है सब पॉइंट के. एग्जाम्पल यू कैन सी एज रिंग, सीढ़ी, व्हील, कॉइन. ये सब तो आपने घर में देखे ही होंगे. तो ये सब दीज आर ऑल आर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ circle. Okay, now what is circumference of a circle? Circumference क्या होता है circle का? Suppose I am standing here, okay, and I start moving from here till I make a full circle, and again I come here. So what I am doing? I am going through the circumference. सर्कमफ्रेंस यानी आउटर जो रिंग है सर्कल की पूरी, उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं सर्कमफ्रेंस. ठीक है, याद रहेगा. अगर आपने एक साइड से स्टार्ट किया है कहीं से भी, एंड इफ़ यू कंप्लीट दैट फुल राउंड इज कॉल्ड सर्कमफ्रेंस. ओके, फ्रॉम द सेंटर से जो भी डिस्टेंस उसके लास्ट तक टच होता है, सर्कमफ्रेंस को टच होता है सेंटर से, दैट इज कॉल्ड रेडियस. Okay, this is called radius. All radius are of equal distance. This is called radius. This will be called radius. जो सेंटर से टच होता है. अगर आप पूरी लाइन बना देंगे, okay, half line is called radius, and if you draw a full line, that full line will be known as a डायामीटर. फुल लाइन को हम लोग बोलते हैं डायामीटर. ओके, हाफ लाइन इज कॉल्ड सर्कल एंड फुल लाइन इज कॉल्ड diameter. Okay, in this lesson you will learn how to find circumference by using a formula. Okay, so the formula for finding circumference is C equals to pi d. Now what is d? D is equal to the diameter. In short form we write it as d. Okay, or else you can find by 2 pi r. 2 pi r है, यानी r को हम लोग को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, क्योंकि r क्या होता है, रेडियस को जब डबल कर देंगे तो वो डायमीटर बन जाता है, इसलिए 2 पाई आर. ओके, वेर पाई इज 3.14. ये पाई एक वैल्यू होती है. पाई क्या चीज़ है? इट इज़ वन वैल्यू विच सम मैथमेटिशियन दे हैव प्रूवन की एक वैल्यू लेंगे. बहुत सारी चीज़ें हम लोग को ढूंढने के लिए वी नीड सम वैल्यूज़. सो अब इतना डीप में जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है हम लोग को, बट फॉर बेसिक जहाँ तक तुम्हारे इसका कंसर्न है 7th स्टैंडर्ड मैथ्स का, यू शुड नो दैट पाई हैज़ सम वैल्यू. कोई एक फिगर है जिसको हम लोग पाई बोलते हैं, डेसिमल फॉर्म में हम लोग बोलेंगे इट इज़ 3.1415, तो आगे तक है. एंड इफ़ यू राइट इन फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म, पाई वैल्यू इज़ 22/7. ये पाई की वैल्यू है. ओके, विल मूव ऑन फर्दर. Now parameter of a circle. What does a circle contain? Circle contain a center, radius, diameter, chord. ये 4 चीज़ आपको ध्यान रखना है. So I'll explain you. Suppose ये एक सर्कल है. ओके, अब इसका जो बीच का पॉइंट रहेगा, सेंटर पॉइंट, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ सेंटर. वो नाम से ही मालूम पड़ जाता है. सेंट्रल पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड एज सेंटर. फ्रॉम सेंटर इफ यू ड्रॉ टिल द आर्क, ये सीधी लाइन अगर आप ड्रॉ करते हो सर्कमफ्रेंस को टच होती हुई, दैट इज कॉल्ड रेडियस, दैट वी रिप्रेजेंट बाय आर. इफ़ यू ड्रॉ ए फुल लाइन, पूरी अगर हम लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं तो दैट विल बी कॉल्ड एज डायामीटर. नाउ डायामीटर एंड रेडियस बोथ पास थ्रू द सेंटर, बट व्हाट इज कॉर्ड? कॉर्ड डजंट पास थ्रू द सेंटर, इट इज इन between. If any line is drawn that is not passing through the center, it is called as a chord. Okay, clear this many concept? Very good. We'll move on further. Okay, now tell me what is the center of a circle in this figure. Very good, it is O. What is center? Center is a point that is at fixed distance from each other at any other point from the circumference. Center, all point lines if you mark, all will be equidistant. Suppose it is 3, then this will be also 3, this will be also 3, this will be also 3. Okay, all points are equidistant. Fine, we'll move on. Radius, next one already we have done, so I'll be little faster. The radius of a circle is a distance from the center of a circle to any point. So if you draw a line from center to circumference, what it is called? It is called as radius. Any line if you draw from center to circumference, it is called radius or radii also if you call. Okay, if you take a single line you call radii. Move on further. Now what is diameter? Diameter means any line joining both the points at a circumference. एक एंड से दूसरी एंड को ज्वाइन करती है, लेकिन कहाँ से पास होना चाहिए? वो सेंटर से पास होना चाहिए, तो ही वो डायमीटर कहलाएगी. ओके, लाइक दिस एनी लाइन ज्वाइनिंग टू एंड ऑफ द सर्कल बट पासिंग थ्रू द सेंटर से पास होना चाहिए, देन इट विल बी कॉल्ड एज अ डायामीटर. नाउ व्हाट इज कॉर्ड? What is chord? I told you now. Read the, someone read. Very good. The chord of a circle is defined as a straight line segment whose both endpoint touch the surface of a circle. ठीक है, कोई भी दो एंड पॉइंट एक से दूसरी जगह टच होना चाहिए, लेकिन अगर वो सेंटर से पास होगी देन इट विल, दैट कॉर्ड विल बी कॉल्ड एज ए डायामीटर. अदरवाइज इट इज सिंपली ए कॉर्ड जो एक एंड पॉइंट से दूसरे एंड पॉइंट को टच हो रही है. यार ए बी इज ए कॉर्ड ऑफ अ सर्कल. इन दिस फिगर यू कैन सी ए एंड बी, इट इज अ कॉर्ड ऑफ अ सर्कल. Okay, I will move on to your practice set. This is very basic introductory information which already you have studied in the previous standard also. So you should consider it as a revision. Okay. Now first one. Radius is 7 centimeter. Okay, you have to find the diameter and circumference you have to find out. Fine. Now what is diameter? Diameter is twice the radius. Twice the radius means 2 into radius. So 2 multiplied by 7. So it is 7 2s is 14 centimeters. So we will write here 14. Okay. Now circumference is pi d. Okay, you can either write with radius, it will be same only. Okay, pi d. So pi value we are taking as 22 by 7 into 14. Okay, I'll solve it here. 22 by 7 into 14. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, and 22 into 4 is, sorry, 22 into 2 is 40. 4 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. It will be 44 centimeters. So we will write here 44. Clear this much? Take the screenshot. You can write out later. Okay. Now the second sum. Diameter here is given as 28 centimeter. Previously we were given a radius. Now we are giving as a diameter. Diameter is 28 centimeter. Radius is D2. D2 मतलब डायमीटर को 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे, क्योंकि रेडियस क्या रहता है हमारा, हाफ रहता है ना डायमीटर को, तो हमको डायमीटर को 2 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. तो इट इज़ 28 डिवाइड बाय 2. व्हेन यू डिवाइड 28 बाय 2, तो आंसर विल कम 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. सो आंसर विल कम 14. सो वी गॉट अवर रेडियस एज 14. ठीक है. हमारा सर्कमफ्रेंस का फॉर्मूला क्या है, पाई डी. सॉरी, सो पाई डी इज 22/7 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 28. तो 7 1s are 7, 7 4s is 28. Now multiply 22 by 44. Tell me the answer. Yes, 22 into 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8. It is 88 centimeter. Fine. Now we'll see further. I'll move this here. Now we'll move on to the third sum. So yes, circumference is given at 616. Now formula is our pi d. Okay, it means pi d is equal to 616 centimeter. Fine. Now we have to find d. So we'll take d on the left hand side. So 616 divided by pi. So when you divide it, what it will come? 616 into, it will get reverse. So 22, 7/22 will become 7 by 22. हमारे पाई की वैल्यू क्या है, 22 by 7. लेकिन when it will come to right hand side, it will become 7/22. रिवर्स हो जाएगा. Okay. So we will multiply 616 into 7 and we will divide by 22. We will get the answer 916 centimeter. Okay, for finding radius क्या रहता है, radius is half of the diameter. So you will get 196 when you divide by 2, you will get 98 centimeter. This will be our radius. Okay, move on further. If the circumference of a circle is 198 centimeter, find the radius and diameter. So the circumference C is 198 centimeter. Okay, simple it is. जैसे पहले वाला सम किया था, more or less it is same only. The circumference is given, so circumference is 198 centimeter. So what we have to find out, radius and diameter also we have to find out. Okay. So when you have to find out the radius, you have to use the formula 2 pi r. तो 2 pi की वैल्यू है 22/7 और r. ठीक है. दिस 7 विल गो दिस साइड, 198 इंटू 7, और यहाँ जो नंबर ऊपर हैं वो नीचे आ जाएंगे, डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाएंगे. तो हो जाएगा 2 इंटू 22. सो वेन यू सॉल्व इट, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18 एंड अगेन 2 9s are 18. ऐसा हो जाता है ये. ठीक है. Again divide by 22 into 7, it will be 11 2s are and 11 9s are. ठीक है. 7 9s are 63. When you divide 63 by 2, you will get 31.5. Okay. Now for diameter, simply you have to multiply radius by 2, you will get the diameter. Okay, so again 2 into प्रीवियस हमने देखा था कि ये हमारा डिवाइड किया था, तो ओरिजिनल जो आंसर है दैट विल बी 63. दिस इज अवर डायमीटर. फाइन. वन मोर सम विल टेक as a revision. The radius of a circle is 35 centimeter. Find the circumference. Now the radius is given as 35 centimeter. What is your circumference? Is 2 pi r. 2 into 22 upon 7 into 35. Okay, 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35. When you multiply all this number, 22 into 2 is 44. You will multiply 44 into 5. When you multiply this number, you will get 220. Okay, you all are taking screenshot now. Fine. Okay, I'll do this. The circumference of a circle is 62.80, taking pi as 3.14. Now here we have to take pi as 3.14. Now initially you were taking the value as 22 upon 7. Now we will take 3.14. So circumference is C is equal to pi d. Okay, circumference is given as 62.80. Pi value will take this 3.15, d you don't know. Okay, when we'll take this side, this will divide. 62.80 divided by 3.14. When you divide it, actually decimal will get cancelled because both decimals are at 100 place. दो नंबर के बाद दोनों भी डेसिमल्स हैं, तो इट विल गेट कैंसिल डायरेक्टली. यू कैन डिवाइड एज 314 divided by 628. So 314 when you 3280. So 314 2 is 31628, and the 0 will remain, it will go up. Okay, so answer when is will be 20. Okay, this is little home assignment which you have to complete. Okay, there was a nice session with you. Thank you. Hope you will complete all your assignment.